I would like to introduce Mr. Dakshay Shah. He's the chairman of CREDAI National. He's the newly appointed president of CREDAI, the chairman of CREDAI, and he is following the Prime Minister's vision of housing for all. He has committed an investment of 70,000 crores in 373 affordable housing projects through the member developers. He's all set to embark on a journey of a Naya Daur for the real estate industry against the backdrop of introduction of various policy reforms which are aimed at growth of the industry. Mr. Shah has been highly instrumental in conceiving and directing the broad strategy and establishing the company on a reliable reputation in the densely saturated construction market of Ahmedabad. And I also take this opportunity to welcome him to Mumbai. Very soon, Savvy Infrastructure will be having their projects in Mumbai. Over to you, sir. Thank you very much for accepting our invitation and gracing this as the chief guest of this morning. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Sangeet ji, and thank you all of you for having me here. First of all, wishing everyone a very happy Dussehra. I would say, as the effigy of Ravana burns, let our negativity also burn with it today. And have a great Dussehra. May God Durga grant all your wishes and bless you with a good health, success, and happiness. Are my friend, my colleague from industry, Chairman Ekta World and President Naredco, Ashok ji, Arvind Goyal ji from CREDAI MCHI, Vikas ji, Suman Nath Reddy ji, Tarun Bhatia ji, Ram Prasad Pati ji, and everyone and all the participants. So as we all know that we are already, government may not, or we can't say with 100%, but we are already come out from the survival state that everybody will agree. And now we are going into slowly to the revival stage. And by grace of God, with all the association, all industry body together, we will in the sustainable mode very, very soon, because there are good news from the vaccination vaccine companies who are making. We all know that real estate being the second largest industry, supports 300 industry, 5 crore families are dependent upon this. There is no air, water, noise pollution. But there was so many disruption like Notebandi, GST, RERA, NBST, and pandemic. No other industry in the world, Ashok ji will agree with me, no other industry, not in India, the world, had so many disruption at this frequently. Kabhi dekha nahi hoga kisi ne. But the one thing I salute to these industry captains, developers, and all alike, like consultants, brokers, all, that is the resiliency of our industry. Salute to all. इतना होने के बाद we are coming out of that. तो अब क्या होगा, भगवान करे कुछ नहीं हो, लेकिन इस करने के बाद भी we are all like a resilient, strong nature. So I can see with a good healthy competition between urban local bodies, good healthy competition with the state, and top of that the government agenda for housing for all. Apart from that, there are so many bank reforms, tax reforms, land reforms. We have lowest interest rate. Just before for a couple of days, bank has also, I think, they have given some, they have reduced the risk weightage also, that ultimately benefit to customer. PMAY. I don't see, and it's a purely biased market. But let me tell you, pre pandemic or maybe last 3 years, because of the RERA, supply was not that great like last decade. And unsold inventory, as we all agree with you, all my friends, panelists, and all dignitaries will agree with me that unsold inventory is reducing day by day. That is a good sign. But
हाँ
let us
जी
talk
जगह
about the Mumbai. I was told by Sangeet ji that we all know that it's the 16th most expensive residential market in the world. मेरे हिसाब से I think around 30,000 unit, Ashok ji, Bombay MMR gets sold against the supply of 50,000, and average price would be around 11,000 rupees square feet. And as per my data and my, you all have to just recheck also that current unsold inventory is little below less than 1 lakh. And the market scenario or market segment in terms of absorption, आप जब millennium के बारे में बता रहे थे, affordable segment is close to 50%. Mid-size segment is 23%.
Design under construction है, Florence ready.
Premium is between 80 lakhs to 1.5 crores, 20 lakhs, and luxury from 1.5 crore to 2.5 crores is 8%, and ultra luxury beyond 2.53 crores is 2%. And
हाँ confirm उसका phone आ
like
गया.
in any other market in India, genuine customer market is 65%. That is a good sign for Bombay and MMR. Speculators 20%, local investor 13%, and foreign investor only 2%. So I would say the good domestic strength and good demand from the domestic side also. Maybe NRI markets in India. Mumbai term has most liquid market. अभी आप कोई NCR का बता रहे थे. That turnaround time, I would say Bombay.
तो जो काम एक आदमी कर सकता है उसके लिए दो आदमी करने की क्या जरूरत
to the NCR and Bangalore supposed to be on 90 days, whereas in Bombay is 30 to 45 days. अगर customer आता है immediately in 1 month time, if he comes to your site or your office, maximum 30-40 days he will take his positively. Even Thane, look at the Thane. Absorption is 10,000 units a year. That is huge. It is almost equal to Chennai market, Thane market. And average private equity flows is per year is 3,500 crore. It's almost a 30% of India. It is one of the most promising investment avenues in the country, and one of the most exceptional market to have the fastest recovery during financial crisis.
सब्बे वाला ये साइड लेगा ही नहीं.
So end user contributes.
सब्बे वाले को दो देगा, उसको नॉलेज के लिए भी जगह देना पड़ेगा, तो वो भी.
So that is a very sustainable market, Bombay. And this is correction on mid segment is around 5 to 10%, or maybe I would say 5 to 7%. Luxury में 10-12% correction होगा.
मॉल में ले लिया होगा.
Disruption and this pandemic, that is very, very nominal, very, very nominal.
लोटा का मॉल बन रहा है उधर 1.5 लाख फुट का.
In periphery of Mumbai, like my Hyderabad friend was also telling that we all, because there are new words, is like work from home, study from home, staycation, workation. Workation is a new word. So there are, our platter is so huge and so big.
नहीं कल
domestic strength is also big.
में वो जो स्टर्लिंग है, स्टर्लिंग के ऑपोजिट में मॉल आ रहा है 1.5 लाख फुट का ही है.
73% sales of the last quarter have been ready to move in category. And I know that Ashok ji ने भी अभी बोला that there is a stamp duty reduction, no interest rate, ample choice for RTMI, and Naredco, NAR, and CREDAI MCHI all working together to get a Diwali bonanza gift from the government, not to only to the developer, for the customer also, for the reduction of the premium. So, कुल मिला के there is a good ecosystem is happening, and of course, I must say that RERA played a critical role, in particular Maharashtra and Bombay. So developers, the construction 3 years back, because of which RTMI investors are available today and a transaction are happening. I just, as per my knowledge, lower Parel BKC around are mostly affected, but the most stable markets have been Bandra West, Andheri, Wadala, and Chembur. So demand for the larger house, demand for the independent bungalows, demand apartment with a balcony, with some storage. So a developer also have to have a new kind of a planning exercise and go back to the drawing room and do some exercise as per the customer need. Mid-size development are back in action compared to the skyscraper due to inconvenience cost to common people. Couple of metros and overall infrastructure in Bombay is happening. So this is a Bombay market, but I'm hearing good news from Bangalore, Hyderabad, Ahmedabad, and NCR. So we have all seen in last 4 years or maybe, but thanks to the central government, thanks to the state government, that the housing for all become the mantra for government. And friends, after this is a basic necessity of any common man is roti kapda makan. In food sector, we are now exporting even in textile also. Unfortunately, for the housing segment, we have never come as a sustainable. And एक आदमी के छत पे पक्का रूफ देने के लिए we are also now struggling. But in next 10 years, next 2 decades is for housing market. Everybody wants to move in a new house or a bigger house. Government is also helping. People wants to come from rural area to city area for the better education for the children, for better infrastructure, better health amenities. So this is a good time to buy. I am not saying every time on every platform, but I am fully convinced, you all will agree with also, that customer, if you don't convince our customer, because now there will be a few launch in next couple of quarter, but not anymore like used to happen before 5-6 years. So supply will be less, demand is still there. We come from survival to revival to sustainable mode. And with the help of our sharing of our good news, a good presentation for the state and urban local bodies will come through. The time will pass, shall pass, and we come together. Our unity for the cause, good cause, will remain, and this unity will lead us to the betterment of the industry and society and for the nation. Thank you all for having me here. Sorry, I have to leave because I have some other engagement because of the Dussehra Puja. There are 2-3 inauguration happening in the city. But thanks for having me. Thanks for the patience.
Thank you very much, Akshay Bhai, for coming. Very, very privileged. Thank you very much, sir.